Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to log in or sign in to PayPal application using your iPhone. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your PayPal app using your iPhone, first make sure that you've downloaded the PayPal application and make sure that you created an account. Once you have it, you can tap the app open. If you don't have an account yet, tap sign up and register yourself to a new account. If you already have one, you can tap the login button at the bottom left. To log into your existing PayPal account, you'll need your email address and the password associated with the account. Make sure to enter your credentials correct. Start off by typing in your email address and the password. Type in your email address associated with PayPal into the first text box. On the next field, type in your password. After you are done typing in your password, you can tap the login button. But in case you don't remember your password, tap on Forgot Password link right beneath the box and follow the on-screen prompts in order to reset your password. Finally, tap the login button. On the next page, tap on I'm not a robot. Complete the security check and tap on verify. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to log into your PayPal account with your iPhone. Pretty simple, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.